Draw the letter A. Two slanted lines and a crossbar. Simple, abstract, nothing like a picture. But rotate it and the secret shows. You are drawing an ox's head, turned on its side, horns pointing up. Every letter in your alphabet has an ancestor that looked like something real. Writing can record whole ideas with pictures, or it can record sounds with symbols. The alphabet chose the second path, but it got there by shrinking pictures until only a hint of the original drawing remained. Egyptian hieroglyphs mixed logograms, whole word pictures, with symbols for individual sounds. A reed leaf could mean a syllable. An owl could stand for the M sound. Scribes already knew that a drawing could point at a mouth noise, not just a thing in the world. While monuments wore full hieroglyphs, everyday Egyptian used faster cursive scripts, hieratic and demotic, where strokes simplified and sound mattered more than artistic detail. Simplification was already happening before the alphabet was born. Around 1000 BCE, Phoenician merchants needed writing that any scribe on any port could learn quickly. They built a lean alphabet of roughly 24 letters, each tied to one consonant sound. Each descended from a picture name. Aleph meant ox, Bet meant house. The name carried the memory. Phoenician writing marked consonants and left vowels implicit. Readers knew which vowels fit from context, the way you still do in TXT MSGS. When the Greeks adopted the script, they had a problem. Greek needs vowels. So they turned some consonant letters into A, E, O, and invented new ones for other vowels. Phoenician letters ran right to left and looked like their objects on their side. Greek scribes rotated them upright and wrote left to right, easier for right-handed carving and reading. The ox head became alpha. The house floor plan became beta. The shapes finally looked like letters. The Greeks spread letters to Italy. Etruscans adapted them. Romans refined them into the Latin alphabet, the one English still uses, minus a few letters J and W added late. Every European alphabet you know is a cousin of that same Phoenician trunk. Here is the twist. An alphabet is not a genius invention from nothing. It is a picture book that got tired of drawing. Each simplification saved time for traders and soldiers. You do not learn 26 random squiggles. You inherit 26 shrunken drawings whose names outlive their looks. Trace any capital letters history. B still looks like a floor plan with a roof. M still echoes water ripples in some old forms. O began as an eye or mouth circle. The alphabet hides its artwork in plain sight, waiting for a 90-degree turn. Recap: Egyptian writing linked pictures to sounds. Phoenician traders stripped it to consonant letters named after objects. Greeks added vowels and turned letters upright. Latin passed the set to English. Your alphabet is pictures that simplified into sound codes. Next on word sketch. Homer called the sea wine dark, and many old languages had no simple word for blue. The sky was there. The word came late.